Guardians. Hope you all are fine and well at your places. This is your art and craft time, and today I am going to make you learn origami animals. So get ready to do this activity. To make an origami dog, first of all you need a square shape sheet. Fold it like this. Press the thumbnail. Now fold the corner like this. Fold the both corner. Now press it with your thumb and your fingers. Turn the paper. Now fold the bottom side like this. Turn the paper. Now take the black marker and draw the eyes of the dog. Draw small curves in the eyes of the dog and fill it with black marker. Draw a triangle for the nose of the dog. Fill it with black color. Now draw a curvy W for the mouth of the dog. And for the mustaches, draw sleeping line, slant line, slant line. Now our dog is ready. To make a pig, take a pink color square shape paper, fold it like this. Fold the corners to the center like this. Fold the both corner. Turn the paper. Fold the corners in this manner to make the ear of the pig. Now take the bottom side. Fold it to the top side like this. Now open it from the center because these are two sheets. Fold the sheet to the bottom side. Now take the black marker and draw two circles for the eyes. Now draw two circles for the nose of the pig and fill this circle with the black marker. For the eyes, just draw two semicircles in the both eyes and fill the rest part with black marker. Now our pig is ready. Try this at home. Thank you so much. To make a cat, just take a square shaped sheet and fold it like this. Rotate it like this. Now fold the corners in this manner from the bottom to the top side. Fold the both corners. Press it properly with your thumbnail. Now fold the top side like this. Turn the paper. Slightly open the ear like this. Now take the black marker and draw the nose of the cat. Draw a semicircle. Fill it with black color. Now draw letter W like this, and for the mustaches draw sleeping line, slant line, slant line, sleeping line, slant line, slant line. And for the eyes, just draw two curves and slant line at the end. Now draw hair of the cat. Fill it with black color. Draw a U shape for the tongue of the cat. Our cat is ready. To make a valve, take a square shaped sheet and fold it like this. Then fold the corners. Fold the both corner to the upper side like this. Now turn the paper. Take a black marker and draw the eyes of the wolf. Just draw 2 curves for the eyes, and at the bottom side just draw a circle and fill it with black color. Our wolf is ready. Try this at home. Thank you so much.